The Tecno Spark 20 is the latest budget smartphone from the infamous Spark series, with pretty high grade specs and features that can say pull ahead from the rest. So we are going to dive into the unboxing, specs, features, all that good stuff. But first, I need you to smash that subscribe button for more videos just like this one, as we are about to hit 200 subscribers very soon. We are going to address the unboxing. First is the smartphone, and beneath that is a TPU case, nice and squidgy, a charging brick, a USB Type-C cable and a SIM ejector tool. On the design language, it's still the same affair yet again. Please comment if you think this is now getting seriously annoying, because I can't understand why the Tecno Spark 20 looks exactly like its predecessor, the Spark 10 Pro. But I can also say that this is the best design, which does come to that of the iPhone. Another phone which does get very close is the Infinix Hot 40i, which I've made a separate video about, so do check it out as well. The front and back does feel very premium, with no hit to design quality, even with the fact that this is actually a budget friendly device. Ergonomically, there is a pair of volume rockers and a power button which doubles as a fingerprint scanner. On the left is a SIM card slot, which has a tray in it that contains room for 2 SIM cards and a memory card. The bottom has a headphone jack, a microphone, a USB-C port and a speaker grill, which is one of the 2 speakers on this phone, as the second one is housed in the top of the device. And Tecno claims the speakers are fine-tuned by DTS, so it should sound better. What about the display of the Spark 20? Is it any better? Well, it's an IPS panel with a 90Hz refresh rate and 500 nits of brightness. The refresh rate can be locked at 90Hz, or you could select automatic adjustment, or just choose 60Hz if you don't mind. And yet again, though the screen feels very smooth in operation, the mediocre brightness means this is not meant for outdoor use. But performance is one area I think Tecno actually stepped up their game here. Powering this phone is the MediaTek Helio G85 backed by up to 128GB of storage and 4GB of RAM, as well as a 256GB 8GB RAM variant, with both variants able to add an extra 4GB of RAM via memory fusion. It's able to handle basic titles and even a few heavy titles like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile, but know that you shouldn't expect titles like Genshin Impact to play smoothly here. What about the software? The software is iOS based on Android 13, the real one here, as opposed to the lighter, less feature-rich Go edition which you usually get. And it's insane that this phone just costs 115,000 naira or $120. So ads and bloatware are minimal but are still present. And juicing this phone is a 5000 mAh battery with 18W charging support. So what about the cameras? This phone has a 50MP main camera and a depth sensor, which shoots in 2K video resolution, and the selfie camera is 32MP, which shoots in 2K as well. So should you buy the Tecno Spark 20? Absolutely. I think this is the first Tecno smartphone this year to actually deliver more value at a cheap price. But one smartphone does rival it, namely the Infinix Hot 40i. Click here to check it out and hit that subscribe button for more videos. I'm Hilary, this is Harry21, and I'll catch you in the next one.